but she was just a fling. And then I met a girl, felt a different thing. It's like a hit in the ring, like your pull my string. Can't breathe like you're choking on a chicken wing. It was a thing called a zing, and I wanted to sing and listen to the ballads of the man named Sting. Lady looks in your eyes and it's suddenly spring, like when Nala looked at Simba in The Lion King.
Ready to throw down?
No, I just came closer to hearing better.
Oh, come on.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa NAIA or Ninoy Aquino International Airport sa Tagalog, Magistraleng Panday ng Ninoy Aquino. So, unfortunately, hindi kami kaya mag-video sa loob para mag-tour kaya nandito na kami sa labas. So, it has 4 terminals. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Terminal 1. Yun.
The motherfucking house.
Tayo ngayon sa CCP or Cultural Center of the Philippines or Sentro ng Kultura ng Pilipinas na natagpuan nila nito noong September 1966. Inauguration of the CCP KPRT with the purpose of promoting and preserving the Filipino arts and culture. So, ang CCP ay isang government-owned and controlled ng mga corporation sa Pilipinas.
Sammy Adams, Lazy Boy, Matty Trump, yeah. Boston Stand.
The longest and free-standing amusement park within the metropolis. The park sprawls in typically intense Filipino fashion, about 35,000 square kilometers, and about 1/4 size of Hong Kong Disneyland, with a total of 21 rides.
I'm in Miami, girl. I'm in Miami, girl. I'm in Miami, girl.